Okay, recording is taking. The internet is also okay. Huh. Yes, students, you can see. We have in the previous lecture we were discussing about interpolation with unequal intervals. We can see here we have two such formulas, that is Lagrange's interpolation formula and Newton's interpolation formula with divided difference. This second one is also known as general Newton's interpolation formula also. So don't get confused. Divided difference is nothing but Newton's general interpolation formula. Both are same. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the Lagrange's interpolation formula and we have solved the problems, right? So today we will seeing how the interpolation formula for unequal intervals using divided difference or Newton's for general formula for divided difference. Here we have divided difference, just simple definitions there. The zeroth divided difference of a function f with respect to a point xi is denoted by f of xi and is defined by f of xi is equal to this small of f of xi. Okay, this is a zeroth, means there is no difference we have done. Directly we have taken the function. This is the first you have to remember. Without divided difference, directly one value we have to take. Second divided difference you can see. Yes, students. So definition goes like this. The first divided difference of f with respect to xi. Xi is denoted by now f of xi plus 1. So means first difference we are going to go and is defined as follows. F of xi plus 1 is equal to f of xi plus 1 minus f of xi divided by xi plus 1 minus xi. So like this, zero difference. Next we will go to first difference. We will be continuing this process, and next we will get the divided difference table. So this is how here they have clearly mentioned first difference, four divided difference. Okay, for simplification I have made it very easy. So this is how the difference table will go, but please remember till third divided difference only. I think the approximate value or estimated value you will get. No need of fourth difference, but we can do fourth difference after constructing the table. Here we have the formula, Newton's formula for divided difference. So y of x is equal to y naught plus x minus x naught f of x naught y1 plus x minus x naught y naught is nothing but here, students. Okay, here they have not given, but you please remember y naught is nothing but f of x naught. What is f of x naught? If I ask you, then this is nothing but here. This is zeroth divided difference, means directly from the table we will be writing this value, and then we will go for first divided difference, second divided difference, and third divided difference. Is it clear? So yes, you can just take down the method. Very important, student. This is if you understand the method, 50% of the your burden will be reduced. See step one, again as usual the given data will be there. So from that again you have to arrange x0 x1 till xn. Am I right? And corresponding values you are going to write here, f of x0 f of x1 till f of xn. Is it clear? Then after taking this we will construct the divided difference. So I did not find this formula anywhere, so I have written by hand. It was not, I did not got time to type everything. Okay, so little bit adjust. So here we have, students, x will be given x0 x1 x2 x3 will be given. For f of x, this is f of x0 f of x1 f of x2 f of x3, corresponding values will be given. Okay, please remember this is also, wait, what is this pen? Something problem with this pen, huh? Okay, here also please remember pen is writing anywhere it wants. Okay, this is also known as y, huh? Don't get confused. Y is equal to f of x. Then y naught will be f of x naught. Similarly, you got it right. So y1 is nothing but f of x1. y2 is nothing but f of x2. Okay, so here we have the divided difference, students. So please remember this formulas. These formulas are important. So 3 I have given, third divided difference, till third divided difference I have given the formula list. This is very, very important, you have to remember now. So first what we used to do, only we take the difference and we used to write this, right? Only f of x1 minus f of x0 we used to do. But here we have f of x0 comma x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x0 divided by x1 minus x0. So here little bit, I think you may get confused. See, what I'm going to do here, yes, subtracting this with this. Okay, this is 1 in the numerator. In the denominator, you can see I'm going to also subtract this term, students, that is x1 minus x0. Okay, this is first divided difference. Second divided difference, you can see I'm going to subtract this in the numerator, f of x2 minus f of x1. Okay, and then divided by x2 minus x1. So this is f of x1 x2. Similarly, here this you have to understand, very, very important. So I'm going very slow. F of x3 minus x2 in the numerator divided by x3 minus x2 in the denominator. This is one thing you have to remember in the first divided difference. Now go to the second divided difference. Again, many students have made mistake in the SEE exams. Here only they have made mistake, students. What is that? See here, f of x1 x2, whatever value you get here, is subtracted with this value, f of x0 x1 in the numerator. Is it clear? So these two values you will be taking. But here x2 minus x0 you may get confused. So what I tell you, yes, here only can see x2 minus x0. So bigger value is x2 and x2 minus x0. Here only you can do. Similarly here, f of x1 x2 x3, how you find? Subtract f of x2 minus x3. F of x2 x3 minus f of x1 x2. Then this is in the numerator. And in the denominator, how you subtract? x3 minus x1. This is how you have to remember. Similarly, you will continue with this with third divided difference. Now here you can see, students, oh, f of x0, x1, x2, and x3 is there. Yes, this will increase. This process will get increased. So what is this? How you are going to subtract? Yes, friends, you are going to take this term, f of x1, x2, x3 is subtracted with f of x0, x1, x2. Is it clear? So this is in the numerator. In the denominator, what do you do? x3 minus x0. I think this was quite easy to understand. Yes. So nowhere in the book they have given like this, but this is the method you have to remember. For remembering the formula, you are going to continue this process. So this is little bit tedious, what we say, finding Newton divided difference table. So this you have to remember. Okay, then using the Newton's general formula, also known as Newton's divided difference formula, simplify, we will get the answer. Means you are just going to take the formula here. So here you can easily see, yes, friends, why not is there. Why not, you please remember here, I will write it only. Why not is nothing but f of x naught, zero difference, 0 dd, 0 divided difference, that is this itself. Okay, this itself is y naught. Okay, so please remember this. This is y naught. Okay. Then here x minus x naught will be there. X is a given value, they will give some value there, and then you can do it. So like this, you should know to substitute, then you will get the final answer, student. So this will also increase. See, x minus x naught is there, f of x naught x1. Here x minus x naught, x minus x1, f of x naught x1 x2, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, f of x naught x1 x2 x3. This will also increase, this will also increase. Then what will be the next term? Immediately you should strike in your mind. This will increase, x minus x naught, then x minus x1, then x minus x2, x minus x3. So this will increase as well as this will increase. That is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, right? And this will continue. So like this, you are going to use this formula. Formula is easy, students. Substitute and you will get the answer. Okay, so please note down this. Fine. Okay, then we will go to the problems here. Yes, problems on divided difference. This is also known as Newton's general formula. Also, we can use here. Okay, so I'll just right. So here we'll simplify these problems. Very, very important, students. One by one, we will simplify these problems. Okay. Okay, so again, take down this problem. So here, please remember the steps now. So I will take the solution. Okay, so first I have to write the given data, that is step 1. So let I will take now here x0 is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 5, x3 is equal to 6. Yes, take down the values here, students. Okay, just find f of x8, x, the table is different. Okay, no problem. Just we will find in the next example, we will do this. Only we will find now here polynomial first from the following data. Okay, so x3 is equal to 6 we have, then x4 is equal to 8 and x5 is equal to 10. Okay, then you will take this as, actually this is like why not, but we also take this as f of x0 for our simplification, that is 10. F of x1, you can take this as 96. So you should be a little bit fast here, 196. So I will write this 350 and this is x4, right, 868, and we have here f of x5, that is 1746. Okay, so this is what given here, students. Now we will go to the step 2. So what is there in step 2? Construct the construct construct the table construct the table here, student, for divided difference. So I will be calling this as dd. Dd is nothing but divided difference. Okay, student. So why this pen is not writing properly? Here we have dd. Okay, so I will go with now here. First I will take here x values and then I will take here f of x. So you have to use full one page for this dd. Okay, so I am telling you that also because many of them will make mistake here. So you please take the full one page. So I will just take down here. Okay, so here I will take the full one page. So I'll write the values here now. So you know already this is x0 is there, it is 2. Here I will take this as 4. Here I will take this as 5. Then this is 6. This is 8, and here we have 10. Okay, here we get f of x0. F of x0, I will write here 10. This is f of x1. that is 96. So here I will get f of x2 192. So here I will get here f of x3, that is 350. This is 868, and this is 1746. Is it clear, students? So this is x and this is f of x I have taken. So you use full one page, huh? This will take little bit lot of space. So first DD. Okay, so you may not get confused. I will write it down. F of x1 is there, x2 is there. This is f of x3, f of x4, and this is f of x5. This is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and this is x5. Okay, so first you write down. So in this example I will write the formula, that is f of x0, x1. So f of x0, x1 is nothing but f of x1, that is 96, minus f of x0. Please remember the formula, f of x0 is 10. I would write here 10 divided by, as I told you, x1. Here only I will tell you x1 minus x0. So x1 is 4 minus 2. You will get the answer here. So please tell me the answer. Till then I will go to the next term, that is
43.
f of, yes beta, how much? So you will
43.
get the 86 upon 2. Right. It is 43. Very good. So now you can see f1, and this is f of x1, x2 is there. So I will be subtracting this with f of x2 and subtract with this. So I will draw the arrow also. f2, f of f2 minus f of x1, that is 196 minus 96. Then divided by, here you can see x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 is 5 minus 4. This is 5 minus 4. So you should be very, very slow. Don't make mistake. Okay. Next, I will move to the f of x2 minus x3. So which is equal to, yes, it is, this is 350 minus 192. 350 minus 192
Sir, in previous
divided
190
by,
minus 196, right?
right. Okay, very good. Yes, thank you. It is 196 is correct. Okay. So I will take now here x3 minus x2, means this is 6 minus 5. So please tell me the answer. This is 6 minus 5. I have done here also subtracting. Okay, then I will go to the f of x3, x4. So which is equal to, this is 868 minus 350 divided by, again x4 minus x3. So 8 minus 6. So this value you have to simplify, and the last value we are going to get f of x4, x5, which is equal to, here we have, yes, it is 1746 minus 868 divided 10 minus 8. So x5 minus x4, that is 10 minus 8. So please tell me the answer, students, now. This one is 154. Please check. This you should get this as
259.
259 is correct answer. Very good, beta. And next term is
429.
439 is correct. Now you will go to the second difference. So just Move this side. Okay. So here I will go to the, so as I told you that no need of finding all the DDs, only three third divided difference is enough for our study. Okay. Now I will get here one will increase here. Now what will increase here? F of x naught, x1, x2. Here this is going to increase. So this will be equal to, again, you are going to take this 2 and subtract, means 100 minus 43 divided by, as I told you, x2 minus x naught. Here only you can see x2 is 5, x naught is 2. So here it is 5 minus 2. Tell me the answer. Okay, next I will, till then I will write the next term. So x1, 1 will increase, as I told you, 1, 2, and this is 3. So this will be equal to, subtract these two values, 154 minus 100 divided by x3 minus x1. So x3 is 6, x1 is 4. So therefore you will get this as 6 minus 4, and tell me the answer. Next value, 1 will increase again, f of x2, x3, x4 will increase. Then what you do, again you subtract with this, 259 minus 154 divided by, yes, x4 minus x2. x4 is 8, x2 is 5. So 8 minus 5. Tell me the answer. Next value is f of 1 will increase, 3, 4, and this is 5. We are going to subtract with 439 minus 259 divided by, here only you can see x5 minus x3 is there. So this is 10, 10 minus 6. Yes, students, please tell me answer one by one. Yes,
19.
please check. 19.
27.
Next, beta.
27.
Okay, next, please.
35.
Next. Yes, so you got the answer, you understood. Now I will go to the last difference, that is third difference is enough, okay, for our study, because hardly you will be getting this for very important 5 to 7 marks you will get. So third difference is enough. Okay, 1 will increase now, students. Therefore this is f of x0, x1, x2, x3. This is going to increase. Now this is equal to, yes, same thing again, 27 minus 19 divided by, see, this is very important, x3 is subtracted with x0. So x3 is how much? Here we have 6. So this is 6 minus, see here, x0 is 2. So there we get the answer. Next I will move to the f of x1 will be there, x2, x3, x4 will be equal to, subtract this value with this, that is 35 minus 27 divided by x4 minus x1. So x4 is 8 minus x1 is 4. Tell me the answer. Next I will move to the f of x2, x3, x4, and the last term, that is x5, which is equal to, subtract 45 minus 35 divided by, yes, x5 minus x2. x5 is 10. Okay, x2 is 5. And tell me the answer, please. Yes, anyone? Please tell me the answer here first.
422.
Yes, everyone got the same one. 4, 2, 2. Wait, I will also try. 27 minus 19 divided by 6 minus 2. Please check, beta. 27 minus 19 divided by 6 minus 2. See?
It's 2, sir.
Right. So even I have got here 2. So 2 is correct answer. So if you go to the fourth difference also, suppose if you go to fourth difference, automatically you can see this is 2 minus 2 will become 0. So no, not required only. So fourth difference, will not go. So this is our step 2, finding the divided difference. I think here it is little bit challenging. If you make mistake, then finish. You lose all the marks only. Hardly you will get 1 or 2 marks. That to writing formula. If you write correct formula, okay. So after writing, constructing the table, here after constructing the table, what we will do? We will substitute it in the formula. Okay. So I will just take down the formula. Mm, this formula I will take. So therefore, we have 3. Yes. So here we have the formula, students. Just substitute now. I think till 3 is enough. So probably this is not required. So this is not required. Don't write down this one. Okay, till 3 is enough. So substitute one by one. Yes. Here bracket is there. Okay, here x1 is there. While copying, it has not copied. Don't get confused. Okay, students, you can just substitute the values here. So f of y, y of x is nothing but here is also f of x. So which is equal to f of x naught. Just make the screen like this. X naught, f of x naught is 10. So this value you are going to take. Is it clear? Next, this value you are going to take. Just I will show you. This value you will be taking 19, and then last, that is 2 value. So this all values you are going to take, substituted in the formula. You should be fast here. This is 10 plus what is x, we don't know. So please remember, x they have not given. Next example we will solve. X naught they have given. So please substitute. This is -2. F of x naught, x1 is 43 plus x minus x naught, that is x minus 2, and x minus x1 is x minus 4. F of x naught, this is 1 and 2. See, f of x naught, x1 is there. Then this is going to be 1 will increase here. That is f of x naught, x1, x2 will increase. Okay, so therefore this is going to be 19 plus here again this is x minus 2, x minus 4, and x minus x2. x2 is 5. Then 1 will increase 0, 1, 2, 3. So f of 0, 1, 2 is 2. So here we have the full-fledged formula we have simplified. Now just simplification is there here, students. So open all the brackets. So this is 10. You should be fast now. This is x 43 x I will get here minus 86 x. Okay, so I just taken 43 inside this bracket. So here also I will just see, I will take 19 here. So in the bracket this is x square minus 4x minus 2x. Just open the brackets plus 2 into 4
So
8.
that is
Okay,
86
so
only,
this
not 86x.
40 43. Yes beta, please tell me.
Sir, in the last multiplication of that bracket, 43 into x, 43 x, 43 into 2, 86 only, not 86x.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so like this you may get confused. Very good. 86 is enough. Okay. Okay, then just simplify this now. Okay, first I will take these two brackets. So this is again x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8, and this is x minus 5. So please simplify and tell me what is the final answer. Anyone has got this answer? So remaining terms I will not change anything. so that this is the only I will change. I will take out first 19x, and this is minus 8 into, wait, 8 into 19, 152, 152x plus 9 into 8, 72, 72 plus, here I will take 2 here only. Now I will take this as 6x minus 6x, this is okay. So I will multiply with this bracket now. So I will multiply first x. This is going to become x cube minus 6x square plus 8x. Then I will multiply this minus 5 inside this bracket, minus 5x square, minus into minus plus 6 into 5 is 30x, and this is again minus 8 into 5 is 14. So anyone got the final answer, please tell me. So I will take wherever x square is there, I will take common inside this. Here we have 19. Next here, okay, here I have minus 6, and this is minus 5. 11 into 2, right? 22. Plus take x common now. Here we have 43. This is 43 over minus 152. Then here we have x. This is 8 and 30. 38 into 2, 76. 2 is multiplied. So this is plus 76. X is over. Next remains is 10 minus 86 plus 72 minus 80. Yes, please, students, what you will get the answer? Minus, here, please remember, cube is there. So I just missed this cube. 2, x cube is there. So I will write first 2x cube only. Anything else is missed, please tell me. 2x cube is there. So we missed cube 1. Okay. Minus 3x square plus, just do it this, 43 minus 152 plus 76. 1, 2. Yes, students, please tell me what is the value. Here it is minus 6 is there. Minus 6 into 19. It is 114. Okay, just please correct this. 114. This is
Sir, it's
114.
114 plus 19 into 8.
Yes. So
152.
43. 114 plus 76. Yes. Now it is correct. 5x minus this term, that is 10 minus 86 plus 72 minus 18.
So that should be 152, right? Not 72.
Sorry, here I should write 152. So this will become 152. So 152. Yes, beta, you are right. Excellent. You got the correct answer. So everyone got the correct answer. Like this, you should do this very easily. But it's taking time. So by practice, you will definitely not make mistake. Okay, so little corrections. You will get the answer. Therefore, this is the, what we say, cubic polynomial. Then they may ask you to put x is equal to 8 is there. Suppose they may tell you x is equal to 8 in the question. Yes. They have here told you that is find u2. Yes, find u2 means actually they have given like this, 2x is equal to 2. This is ux. Please remember ux is there, that implies x is equal to 2. So just substitute here x is equal to 2. Therefore I will take here x is equal to 2. Please tell me what is the answer. F of 2 is equal to, just substitute the values here. Wait, 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 4. It is 10. See, I'm getting here 10. Everyone got the same answer? Please check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, thank you. So like this, I think little simplification is little bit, you should be perfect. Okay, so we will move to the next example. Start solving this example, students. Let us see how many will get the answer. Yes. So I will move to the fit and interpolating polynomial for the data. Yes, here I will go with the solution. Actually, okay, no problem. गड़बड़ में इधर गया. Fine. No problem. We will solve for this also. Okay. So here we have, by using Newton's general interpolating formula is nothing but divided difference. So step 1, start simplifying this, students. Fast. Step 1. I think you have come across now. We shall first arrange the, see, this is not arranged, students. Here I was telling you, I cannot take this directly. So first value will be x naught. So x naught I have to take here. First arrange the values here, students. X naught will be 0. So I will tell you why it is 0. Okay, so you may get confused here a little bit. First time when you are solving, definitely it will be, okay, see here. Ux is our function, that is f of x, which is equal to y. Am I right? So whatever the y value is there, that you come to know. This is our y value. But see, this is first term. So here I will write, here only I will write, see, x naught is 0 because here 0 is there. And this is going to become y naught. Okay, so you please write down here. Then after 0, what will come? 1 will come. So automatically you can see x1 will be this one, 1. Then this is y naught minus 14. So 1 after 0, 1. Next term is u4. So like this I will write here. X naught is equal to 0. Y naught is equal to minus 5. So this arrangement is very, very important. X1 is 1. Y naught is minus 14. Then go to x2. X2 is 4, because here you can see this is x2 students. Please remember x2, because here clearly mentioned function. Okay, so x2 is 4, and then why not, or we used to take f of x2 is minus 125. So this is f of x1 we will take, and this is f of x0, so that we will can substitute in the table. Okay, so here we get x3 355. Then f of x3 is 10. This is 355. So here this is x3 is 10, and this is f of x3 is 355. So all this given data, step 1. Then move to the step 2. Again, please students, you can see in the step 2 we are going to construct the divided difference table. Please construct the divided difference table here, students. Okay, so take full one page. Already I told you that you require full one page for divided difference. It is little bit lengthy. So here I am going to take now x, as I told you that
So show the values on screen. Just the
till third difference is going to become okay. Here you can take, so u of x, here we have taken here f of x.
Sir, have we missed U8?
Very good. So this 3 will become now 8, and this is going to become minus 21. So this is, you are right. So this is x3 is 8, and f of x3 is minus 21. So this is going to become 4 then. Okay, so therefore you can take x4 is equal to 10, and f of x4 is 355. You are right, beta. Thank you. So everyone must be like this active. So you can just see x0, x1 is there, x2 is there, anything else missed? This is f of x2. Okay. Is it clear now? Okay, you have written the values. We'll solve fast, students. So here I will write now x value. This is 0, the first value. Next value will be 1. Next is 4. Next is 8. And the next term is 10. Okay, so f of x value will be minus 5, minus 14, minus 125, minus 21, and this is 355. So I will move to the first divided difference. So first DD, divided difference, that is f of x0 x1. So this is our f of x0, that is 0th divided difference, that we are going to take minus 5. So here we start now again, take this value, subtract with this. So minus 14 minus of minus 5 divided by x1 minus x0, that is 1 minus 0. Tell me the answer. This is f of increase 1 x2 x1 x2, then this is equal to, subtract this students, minus 125 minus of minus 14 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is 4 minus 1. Okay, so next we will move to the f of x2 x3, which is equal to, subtract this value students. Yes, it is minus 21 minus of minus 125. Okay, divided by x3 minus x2, 8 minus 4. Okay, next term will be f of x3 x4. So this is equal to, subtract this value, that is 355 minus of minus 21 divided by 10 minus 8. So please check what are the values you are going to get. Please tell me. Yes. Orally you can do. Plus is there. 3 divided by 3, 37 minus 37. Okay, this is 5 is there. 125. How much this will be? 103, right? And divided by this is 4. Plus you will get here 26. 104 divided by 4 it will be. This is going to be 121, 176 divided by 2. So 188. Yes, please check the value, friends. Next we will go with the second divided difference. Yes, I'm going to get here now. F of x0, x1, x2. Subtract this value. So this is equal to minus 37 minus of minus 9 divided by x2 minus x0. So this is x2, 4 minus 0. Okay, next this is f of x1, x2, x3. Subtract this value, students. So please tell me the answer. This is equal to 26 minus of minus 37 divided by x3 minus x1. x3 is 8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. Please tell me the answer, students. F of x2, x3, and this is x4. Right, then this is 188 minus 26 divided by x4 minus x2. x4 is 10 and x2 is 4. So this is equal to, so please remember this is x0, x1, x2, x3, and this is x4. Okay, so all this work you have to do. Yes, please tell me the answer, students. Yes, calculate and tell me the answers, beta.
minus 7, 7, 27.
Yes, very good. It is minus 7, 9, 27. This will become plus, huh? So therefore answer is plus. Here again it is in plus only. Please tell me the next value. Then I will take again this 9 minus of minus 7 divided by x3 minus x0. That is 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. Here these two terms are subtracted. 27 minus 9. Please tell me the answer here. Divided by x4 minus x1. So x4 minus x1, that is 10 minus 1. Yes, minus into minus will become plus. This is 16 divided by 8, 2. You will get 2. Okay, here minus 9, 27 minus 9 will be 18. 18 divided by this is 9. 18 divided by 9, 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So like this, you will get this value you are going to substitute. Thank you for your reply. This values you are going to substitute. Okay. So now use the formula. Here also we have only 3 divided difference we have taken. So we will write the formula here. Yes. So we are going to take the divided difference formula. So I will write once again. So please substitute and tell me the answer. X minus x naught f of x naught x1 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 f of x naught x1 x2, okay, plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 f of x naught x1 x2 x3. I think till 3 we have done. Okay, just substitute the values now. Okay, therefore we get this as f of x, or this is also taken as f of u of x also. So f of x naught is how much? Minus 5. Go on substituting the values here, students. Minus 5 plus x minus x naught is 0. F of x naught is x1 is 9, minus 9, plus x minus x naught, again x minus 0, x minus x1, so x minus 1. F of x naught x1 x2 is minus 7, then plus x minus 0, x minus 1, and this is x minus 4 into f of x naught x1 x2 x3 is 2. Okay, now we can substitute the values and tell me the polynomial fast. So should be fast like this. Now I will just solve, simplify by u. This is minus 9x is there, plus x I will take here directly. So I will just simplify. How I will simplify? See, x is there, x into x, x square into 7, 7x square. Okay, then again x into 1 minus x into minus 7. So this is plus 7x. Okay, then plus this is again, now this is little bit tedious. I will just simplify this first. I will write it here separately. X square minus, this is minus 4x minus 1x minus 5x, and plus 4. Okay, please check the answer. Okay, now I will multiply inside this bracket 2 and this x. So therefore this is going to become 2x cube minus 10x square plus 8x. Please check. Therefore you should get the value like this. F of x, I will just take first 2x cube is there, only one 2x cube is there, minus 7 and 10 will become minus 17 x square. Then next x term I will take minus, and this is minus 2 plus 8 will become plus 6x. Okay, and then this is minus 5. Minus 5 is as it is, minus 5. So here we get the polynomial, students. Polynomial. Therefore u2 they have given, right? U2 means f of 2. This is f of x. U of x, sorry. U of x is f of x. Please remember. Then substitute 2. Yes, here we have 2. 2 cube minus 17 2 square, right, plus 6 into 2. Please tell me the answer. So f of 2 is the answer. Just substitute. Yes, everyone got the same answer. So you must be fast. F of 2 is equal to minus 45. So please check the answer. You must be quite fast. Okay, the next one is very simple. I will just give you some hint. Yes, students, I will give you some hint for the next example. You please do it. Okay. So here we have find the cubic polynomial which passes through the point 2, 4, 4, 56, 9, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 9, 80 and hence estimate the dependent variable corresponding to the values of the independent variable 3, 5, 7, 11. See, here students, they have not mentioned the which formula are going to use. You can use Lagrange's or Newton's divided difference, but I prefer that you go through the Newton divided difference to get the correct answer. Both are right, huh? You can use both the values you can do, you will get same, but Newton's divided difference is preferable because for unequal intervals, if in the question they have not mentioned which divided difference, which formula are going to use, but I prefer you to use Newton's divided difference or Newton's general formula for divided difference. Okay, so I'll just tell you what is given here. Step 1, I will just give you hint. You please solve this. See in this bracket, this terms they have given like this, that is x naught f of x naught. This is given function. Okay, here we go. Then we will write it like this. So you can just see. I will take. You can write down here if possible all the values. That is x naught is equal to 2. F of x naught is equal to 4. X1 is equal to 4. X2 is equal to 56. X2 is equal to 9. F of 1, this is 2, is equal to 711. X3 is equal to 10. And f of x3 is equal to 980. So then you can construct the table. So you please try this. Okay, construct the table. So divided difference table. This is divided difference table. So you can get C easily. I will tell you the values. You can do it very fast. So you are now perfect in these values. Yes. So x is 2. This is 4. Right, and for divided difference, please in the exam also you give more space, 10. So I'll just take this as x0, x1, x2 and this is x3. Okay, so just 2 minutes, we'll finish this also. So x0 they have given here 4, 56 and 711, 980. So how we will solve the first DD? Just orally you can do now. F of x0, x1. This is f of x0. Okay. 56 minus 4. Yes. Divided by 4 minus 2. You can see this is 52. 52 divided by 2. 52 divided by 2 is 26. Orally, this example can be done. F of x1, x2. So which is 711 minus 56 divided by, so 711 minus 56 divided by 9 minus 4. So you will get here 131. Next, f of x2, x3 is equal to, just subtract this 980 minus 711 divided by 10 minus 9. So orally you can do it very easily. This is 269. Then you will easily calculate the second divided difference. Subtract this value, students, as it is. So x0, x1, x2 you will get, which is 131 minus 26 divided by x2 minus x0. X0 is 9 minus 2. Just simplify in the calculator. It is quite easy, students. Try to simplify the examples. Yes. Now you must be perfect in solving the problems and practice. So this was very short, what we say, very simple divided difference table they have given. You can do it very easily within sync. Only 3 values they have given. 4 values they have given. 23 minus 15 divided by 10 minus 2. So you will get this as 1. You use the Newton's divided difference formula, and by using divided difference formula you use, and try to get the answer. F of x is equal to, that directly substitute this as 4. I want this as 4, right? Okay, so please remember the formula. Now this is x minus x naught. X naught is 2. In the table only you can see this is x naught is 2 here. Then next value we will be taking 26 plus x minus 2 as it is, x minus next value, that is this one, 4. So I will take here 4. Okay, next value what you will substitute, this value will substitute 15. Then plus x minus 2, x minus 4, next x minus this value, that is 9, into this value 1. So if you simplify this, students, very easily you can simplify this. Please try. You will get the answer as x cube minus 2x is a polynomial or cubic polynomial. Please remember this is cubic polynomial. Then what I wanted to tell you is, they have told you to find the independent variable 3, 5, 7 and 11. So how you will find 3, 5, 7 and 11? Yes, you are going to do like this: f of 3, f of 5, f of 7 and f of 11. So f of 3, just substitute the values. You will get here 21, 115 and 329. This is 1309. Just substitute here wherever x is there. X is equal to 3, you substitute, you will get the value. X is equal to 5, you substitute here, you will get the value. X is equal to 7, you substitute, you will get this value. X is equal to 11, if you substitute, you will get this value. Friends, is it clear? So like this, everyone please simplify. Some more examples I will give it as homework. Yes, students, any doubt is there, you can please ask me. Yes, students, any doubt?